That's a real homie if you don't have to undate you better, dog.
Yeah, we're gonna be that way.
Oh. Anyways, I don't want my
Hey,
dick
hold
to
on,
get
Ricky,
ripped off.
Hold on.
I'm not doing nothing. I'll put my
Starting fluid.
Alright,
We
let
put
her
in work,
rip.
keep catching it on fire.
Let her go again.
You definitely got a misfire on a cylinder.
fuck a misfire. We.